Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the gut-brain axis. This mysterious connection between your gut and your brain has a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. So, let's explore this mind-blowing topic together. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our intriguing content. Alright, let's roll. Imagine a secret highway connecting your brain and your gut. That's precisely what the gut-brain axis is, a two-way communication system. It links your central nervous system, that's your brain and spinal cord, with the enteric nervous system, a vast network of neurons residing in your gastrointestinal tract. This intricate connection isn't just a highway, it's a neural superhighway regulating digestion, mood, and your overall health. This axis is no ordinary connection, it's both physical and chemical. Neurons in your gut chat with your brain through the vagus nerve, which stretches from your brainstem to your abdomen. Plus, hormones and neurotransmitters, those tiny chemical messengers, help keep the conversation going. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, your trusty gut microbiota. These little guys are major players in the gut-brain axis game. They produce compounds and metabolites that affect your brain, like serotonin and dopamine, the mood regulators. These compounds can influence your mood, cognition, and behavior. Recent research suggests that the gut-brain axis wields incredible power over your mood and emotions. Your gut microbiota can tinker with neurotransmitters linked to mood, potentially impacting conditions like anxiety and depression. It's so pivotal that they've even coined the term gut-brain microbiota axis. But wait, there's more. This axis also rules the roost when it comes to digestion and appetite. Signals from your gut influence when you're hungry and when you're full. Hormones like ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and leptin, the fullness hormone, are part of this regulation. Your gut isn't just a digestion superstar, it's also a vital part of your immune system. It talks to your brain to regulate immune responses. When this communication falters, it can lead to autoimmune and inflammatory conditions. Stress takes the spotlight too. It can dramatically affect your gut health, and your gut can alter how your body responds to stress. Stress hormones come into play here, and chronic stress can mess with your gut microbes' balance. This gut-brain axis research isn't just theoretical, it's opening doors to new treatments. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative diseases are being explored. Strategies like dietary changes, probiotics, and prebiotics are on the horizon to promote a healthy gut microbiome and boost mental health. Now, let's turn our attention to the controversies and ongoing debates swirling around the gut-brain axis. While it's an incredibly promising field of study, it's not without its share of questions and disputes. First up, the how of communication. We know the gut and brain talk, but the exact methods they use are still shrouded in mystery. Researchers agree that gut microbiota, gut hormones, and the vagus nerve are key players, but the nitty-gritty details of how these elements interact and transmit signals to the brain are still under investigation. Then there's the age-old causation versus correlation debate. Many studies have shown strong associations between gut health, microbiota composition, and various neurological conditions like depression, anxiety, and even autism. But here's the twist, it's often challenging to determine if changes in the gut are causing these conditions or are simply a result of them. This ongoing debate keeps researchers on their toes. Let's not forget individual variation. The gut-brain axis isn't a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. Different people can have wildly different responses to changes in their gut microbiota, diet, or gut-brain interventions. Some folks might experience significant improvements in mental health or cognitive function with dietary tweaks, while others may not see the same effects. This individual variation complicates the generalization of research findings. The promise of therapeutic interventions is tantalizing, but it's not without its skeptics. While there's growing interest in using gut-brain interactions for therapeutic purposes, such as probiotics, dietary changes, or fecal microbiota transplantation, the clinical efficacy and safety of these interventions remain hotly debated. Not all studies have delivered consistent positive results, leaving room for further refinement and optimization. Last but not least, ethical and regulatory issues have reared their heads as research in the gut-brain axis advances. Particularly concerning are areas like the use of fecal microbiota transplantation and the marketing of probiotics as remedies for mental health conditions. Striking a balance between ensuring the safety and efficacy of these treatments while avoiding misleading claims is a challenge that must be addressed. Despite these controversies and ongoing debates, the gut-brain axis remains an exciting and promising frontier of research. It holds the potential to shine a light on various neurological and psychological conditions, offering new avenues for management and treatment. As research continues, our understanding of this complex relationship will undoubtedly evolve, bringing clearer insights and, perhaps, more effective therapies. So, there you have it, the gut-brain axis, an incredible journey of connections and mysteries. As research continues, we'll uncover even more about this complex relationship. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the wonders of the gut-brain axis.